Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove inactive friends on a Snapchat account. This is a great way to declutter your friend list and keep your Snapchat connection up to date. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. This will open your profile and scroll down and you can see My Friends under Friends section. Tap on My Friends. And over here you can view your entire friend list. Now scroll through your friend list and look for the account that haven't posted stories in a while. These are likely your inactive friends. To remove them, tap on their profile, tap on their Bitmoji. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and here you can see Manage Friends Save. Tap on it and you can remove your friend by tapping on Remove Friend option. And that's how you can remove inactive friends on the Snapchat. Keeping your friend list updated ensures your connection are meaningful and relevant. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.